What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about this eyelet making tool I got. I don't know if that's the right name, but that's what I'm just going to refer it to. So I'm sure you know about the usual punch tool, eyelet making tool all use, but this one is actually new. Well, it's also new to me because I've been using it over time, and it's actually affordable, easy to use, and portable. You can take it with you wherever you're going to. So if you're into corsetry, into bustiers, corsets, all of these trending wears, I think this is for you. And the good thing is it comes in different sizes. The one I have is size 8, but you can go a size lesser, a size smaller, or a size bigger. So if you're interested in this, I think you should watch to the end because I'm going to be talking about how to use it, and I'll be leaving a link on where you can get it from. So let's get to it. So to achieve this, this is what you need. You need the eyelet tool. So this is how it came when I got it, and I've used this for over a year now, and I can be using it over and over again, so you can just imagine how useful this is. So this is it, this size 8, and then this is what you need, the eyelet itself. So this is the wrap I got in the market. It comes in this wrap and it's about 500 naira. So you get this wrap, I think it's about 20 to 30. You can use it till you're done with it. Now this size is a little bit smaller than the two, but like I mentioned earlier, you can use the two for a size bigger or a size smaller. So I'll be using this for the tutorial. Then the next thing you need is your hammer. Yeah, you do need a hammer, and of course you need a hard surface. Then you need your chalk to mark the placement of the eyelet, and you need your fabric. Of course you need your fabric. So let's get to it so that I'll show you how to use it. So I needed a hard surface and an open space where the camera could get what I'm doing, so I decided to use the floor. Now I'm just placing the marks for the eyelet placement, as you can see, and I'm going to make holes with this soldering iron. So if you don't have a soldering iron, you can actually use a scissors, but the soldering iron is preferable because it kind of burns out the rough edges of the hole I make. So it's kind of a dual purpose tool that burns it out and punctures it as well. Okay, after this I'm going to get the eyelet. So I ended up getting a bigger size of eyelet and another color. I needed a silver color to match up with the design I was making, so I had to get this, and this is the size I needed. And the first one I showed you was the gold, so I ended up getting this silver. This size is a little bit bigger than the other one, and so I ended up not using that one. So this is how to place it. The good side of the fabric is okay. Now the hack here is, if your soldering iron do not make the hole big enough for your eyelet to enter, you can use your scissors to notch it. Then you push in the first side of the eyelet then you now place over the flat one on top. That's kind of overlap it. Now bringing out the tool, it comes in two parts. I think the round one is the dice, it is placed on the floor, then the cloth is placed on it, and then the long one is now on top of it, and you now hit it with a hammer. I don't think my voice over is going to explain this better. I think you just need to watch to get to know how to use this. Now I'm going to be making like 4 or 5 over the camera, so you'll be able to understand what I'm doing. So let me try to explain again. Now you get this round part of the eyelet, then you notch your hole to ensure that it can enter through the hole and pass it through from the right side inwards. Now you now place it flat on the dice. Place it flat on the dice after pushing it in enough. Now the good thing about this is you have to make the hole to be a little bit tight, because if it is loose it will fall off easily. So after passing it into it, I'll now put in the flat one over the round part of the eyelet, then place it on the dice and hit it with the long part of the eyelet maker. So this is pushed in from the good side to the wrong side of the fabric. Then the flat surface of the eyelet, the flat round one. The flat one is now placed over it. Then I now place it on the dice and then place this long one on it and hit it with our hammer. So I found this picture online where it was kind of labeled, so you can use this picture. It's self-explanatory. Disclaimer: this picture is not mine, I found it online. Before I got this too, I kind of spent a lot of money by going to these commercial people in the markets that punch up make eyelets for people. So I think one at the moment to make a pair is like 150 naira. So imagine you want to make 10, you'll be spending 1500 naira. Like you want to make 10 pairs, you'll be spending 1500 naira for just this. So I kind of recommend this, and I'll be leaving a link on how to get this. Trust me, it's really a good investment because it carries you for a very long time and you can use it over and over again. Just try to pick the right size. I recommend size 8 to 10. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Please like, share and subscribe.